how to fix a frozen or unresponsive Lenovo laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Lenovo laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11 that is completely frozen and unresponsive. So when you move the mouse, it doesn't move on the screen. The keyboard does nothing when you touch it. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So most likely this is actually a really easy fix, and it's most likely caused by just a memory issue with one of the apps on your computer, but we could fix it by doing a hard reset. Now don't worry, a hard reset does not touch any of the files on your computer. All we need to do this is simply find the power button, and on my Lenovo Legion 5, it's up here near the top in the center. Hold down the power button for around 5 to 10 seconds until you see the laptop turn off. So you might see the backlight on the screen turn off, the backlight on your keyboard turn off, or your fan turn off. Just hold it down. Then once it turns off, let go, and then hold down the button just for a couple seconds until the computer comes back on. So we just forced the laptop to turn off and then turn on again, and that fixed the issue where it was just had a little hiccup and froze. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.